So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Analytics WordPress tutorial 2020. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing down below. So, and also if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So stay tuned till the end. So first things first, you need to have a WordPress website if you want to install Google Analytics, or it can be any website, but WordPress would be really easy. Then the next thing you have to do is just go on Google Analytics, click over here. You need a Gmail ID. So I'm going to explain you step by step how to do it. So it's just loading right now. So right now I'm into Google Analytics. All you have to do is click on the left hand side. Okay, these are the settings. Click over here, admin. So currently I already have on yavarkhan.com, but I'm going to show you on this domain. So all you have to do is you're on Google Analytics, just create a account, type down this domain name. So for me, this domain name is Yaima Beauty. Just paste it over here, click next. Okay, it's a web, choose. So for me it's a website. If you're using apps and web, you could use this thing, but you could click next. My website name is this. My website is, so I make sure I always name it as per my website so I don't get confused later if you add a lot of websites. So HTTPS, make sure you remove, okay, select one category. So for me it's gonna be beauty. Select your time zone. So I'm into over here, create, accept, just accept. That's done. Take this tracking code. So once you get this, so you need to make sure you need to install this tracking code onto your website. So there are many ways to do it. The best way is install a plugin. So just go and click on add new. So all you have to do is install, just type header PHP, and then you can install any of these, but the one which I really like is this one, header and footer scripts. Click over here, install now. Click on activate once it's activated. So once it's installed, all you have to do is, once you see if it's installed, all you have to do is click on settings, click on header and footer scripts. And then once you go back to your Google Analytics, copy this thing, paste it over here. So once you have pasted it, just go and refresh your page. Once it's done, just go on view page source, click on Control F, just search if it's installed or no. So as you could see, my tag is installed. It means it's well and good. As you could see, the tag is over here. So now my GA is tracking my website traffic. So as you could see over here, one active user right now. So congratulations guys, this is how you install Google Analytics to your WordPress website. And if you want me to help you with how everything works on Google Analytics, let me know in the comments so I can create another tutorial and explain you how things work on Google Analytics, how you track your pages, how you track everything. And that's it for today's video. But before I forget the free bonus guys, so here's a free crash course. Okay, the link is down below, a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch, techniques to get free traffic to your website. Okay, so this is really crucial and it's a free tutorial, so go and get it over there. And hardly it will take you 10-15 minutes, but I show you the best themes, the best plugins and the best way you can get free traffic to your website. So I hope to see you in that course, and thank you for watching.